right volume. Alrighty. Sweet. Cool. Alright. So hopefully it's not too quiet. But this is kind of the volume that it's going to be. Unless I can boost the microphone, but I don't think I can. I'll try. Moved it a little bit further away. Let's see. Oh yeah, I can. Look at that. Perfect. Bam! That's gotta be way too loud. Alright, that's gotta be much better then. Cause there you go. Okay, cool. I'm holding. Yeah, that's about the right volume. Okay, cool. I've got my laptop down here, and it's on a different like computer, so you can't see that. I'm gonna do all of my order entry on here, and all my charting on here. And the reason why is because I have this demo thing. I'm doing this 10K challenge, and I wanted to keep the two computers separate, just because I wanted to. And also this is going to be used as a screener, and I wanted to have this as like the TD traditional account, and then I have the Roth on the other computer. And so I think that'll work out well. So when I make trades on the main account, it's not going to show on the stream, but you know, I'll keep you guys posted. It's going to be on this other computer over here instead, which you can't see, but that's okay because it's not a big deal. Okay, so with that said, Zscaler went up a freaking megaton today. Yesterday pre-market, I had a lot of people tell me about it, and I was like, I don't know, man, but then it just exploded. It was crazy. I couldn't believe it. They were already up so much, and to see them go up even more was just like, insane. But that's okay. What I want to focus on, because today, is a lot of people think there's going to be a super fat drop in SPY. So that's kind of the first thing I want to play, is if it drops sort of below this level, which is a really key support that's from before here. I promise it's a really key support. It's from way before today. Then I'm basically probably going to short ZS on an M setup, assuming that it kind of follows through with the M set. Excuse me. I think that's going to be basically the play. And these guys, I think they'll go to like, I'm looking at like 85 puts expiring today. I think they'll go to like probably 82 based on that, pretty easily. So that's sort of the swing option play that I'm pretty excited about. And then over here for this challenge thing, I'm doing 9 to noon stocks, which is awesome because this doesn't have a PDT rule on it, which is awesome. So I am kind of looking at SONA, SNOA, and also ALT had some really big insider trading. These guys just released a, or maybe it was SONA. Yeah, it was SONA. SNOA just released a hand sanitizer that kills coronavirus. So they basically cure coronavirus. And those are like the best news stocks. I mean, that's the best trade to make right there, is when companies do something like that. So I'm kind of excited. The stock's already tripled overnight, which shows amazing momentum. The only thing I'm worried about is like the market not having that momentum because of the new Lulachi album. So we'll kind of see what happens. Worst case, we just short ZS. Best case, these stocks usually don't actually have a high correlation to the market, so I don't think it's going to matter. But this is going to be sort of at all-time highs. I already did the lines on these guys. So yeah, I'm excited about it. We'll see what it does. If it breaks kind of the 14 level, breaks VWAP, you can stop it out at like 13.6, and then the target's like 20, which I think is pretty solid. So I gotta have my numbers down on this, because if it moves quick, I have to make sure I have like a set risk profile for the trade, so I don't get like bonked from the challenge. So that's kind of the play here. If you do 1,000 at like 14.4, It's like 69 shares, we'll call 70. And then max loss is 100. So that's 70 times 14. What's 1,000? So I don't know. What's 14.4 times 0.9, which is 100. It's 13. So yeah, stop at 13 is basically free money. That's the easy stop to make. We should be able to set it up a little bit higher, kind of 13.6 or so. Assuming it kind of breaks over VWAP. And hopefully has like an actual setup. That should be a solid play. Also, I finished moving, which is kind of exciting. I'm kind of interested to kind of see what these guys do. This right here could turn out to be a hammer reversal. That would be kind of nice. That would give us a really, really solid stop loss right here at 12.6. And you can have an entry way lower because it's got such a solid stop on it. This candle's got to kind of go green, and as long as it does, like, this is a nice entry right here. But the market's probably going to tank at the open, so you got to be careful. TRIL also looking really nice. There's not a lot of volume in the pre-market, so we'll give them a little bit of time. This will be the stop. This will be the entry. I've been trying to do limit orders on this like software thingy, but for some reason it won't let you submit it if it's like within the bid-ask spread, which is stupid because where else would you put your order? So I'm just going with markets, which I don't like because you get fat spreads on them. But, you know, you kind of have to be quick with these, so. Anyway, the stop is, 1250, call it 1257. And, the entry is sort of around the open, hopefully at 13. So 13 minus 1257 times 70 puts us at 30 risk, which is perfectly a-okay. So hopefully we'll see what these boys do at the open. As long as I stay like in this trading range, I will in it hardcore because this looks really nice. Let's see, yesterday they were a $5 stock. Sometimes these take a little bit of time to set up and they'll kind of curve around until like 11 o'clock. I'm hoping that's not the case here, but it will be the case if it gets to that really critical support level right here. So that's why I'm going to be a little bit careful. For Z-Scaler, I'm looking at the 85 puts expiring today. I think I said that, but whatever. I'm also watching Shopify because they usually go up for the first half of the day, but on a day like this, I just don't know if it's gonna happen because these boys look like they're about to tank, but we'll see. I should probably pull up the SPY 5-minute. See, my thing is, like, it's either gonna go to 306, or it's gonna go to, like, you know, 298, and then it's just gonna hit, like, it's just gonna go down and down and down and down and down. This week has been a super fat hammer candle in the market, and I think it's about to freaking reverse. If you check it out right here, not on the daily, but on the weekly, you got this huge hammer. So if they can kind of close around, like, anything above, like, 300, I think it's gonna confirm that hammer, and then next week will just be a bloodbath. The only thing I don't like is this MACD cross, but I think that's a BS MACD cross. So if you look at the daily, it's like the MACD on the daily is like the opposite. So it's like, dude, make your mind up, and it's gonna come down, I think, to how the week closes on this candle. I'd want to see it over 300, but doesn't mean it's not gonna drop to 290, 299, 298 intraday though, which is basically probably what'll happen. Oh fuck, ZS dumped before the open. Are you serious? Damn. That's gonna make these puts super freaking expensive. And it's such a good play too. That pisses me off, man. That really pisses me off. I wanted to short it like here. That sucks ass. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. I can't trade this in extended hours. Dang. If they bounce, dude, I'm betting puts in this, but I think that might have been like a third of the move I was anticipating. But I'll put my targets in anyway, because whatever. Let's see, 90.45. I'll just increment the stops to break even. Whatever the fill was is gonna be the stop. Price was 13. I got filled at 13.5. Hey, whatever, man. So we'll. I don't want to stop it at 13.5. It's too close to VWAP. I'll stop it at like 13. I don't know. Give me a second. Let me see what happens here. I want ZS to get back to this line that I drew up here, and as soon as it does, we're gonna get in puts. The 85s or $1, we'll do like 2 contracts. Unless we want to get in 1 contract before it fucking tanks, which I think actually might be the call. Alright, filled 1 at 127. See, what's the target on that? I cannot why. Is that I want not it deep inside. I better take this feeling if I try. I can't tell you wow. I'm telling me that if I duck away this now, you'll never know that the dawn of night. I would have gone like more contracts if it did. Ooh, oh, that sucks. I got stopped out. Dang. Closed above VWAP too. That's not something you'd expect to happen, but it happened. So take it, walk away from it. That sucks. Should just see, like, I don't know. I don't think I should have set the stop at BE. I think it was a reasonable stop. We could short it if we got balls, but I just don't wanna. I don't wanna mess with that. I'm at a contract at 89.61. Fio's looking pretty nice. Ooh, might take a little bit of time, but I'd play that. Alright, here we go. And give them Alright. We got 3 contracts in ZS. I'm not gonna mess too much more with it. And we'll give it a couple hours. And again, stop is kind of like basically right here. And then we have the targets. We'll put that over on a 5-minute. And just let it go, I guess. Right here, ALT is about to break. I like it. We'll do 1,000 over 922. It's about 100. I think ALT got halted. Yeah, they did. Oh wait, no they didn't. Okay. Cool. This could W, or it could break right here. So we'll kind of see what it does. We only have half as much to mess with risk. Because of Snowa. But I like that. That's solid. That's a tight stop too. So that's good. Okay, fuck. Let's see if we can get it at like 916. And then the stop is at 903. Alright, 918 is pretty good. Did I get filled or what? I'll do 918, come on. Fucking God. I love it. But I can't stand it when the orders don't fill. Alright, well the stop's gotta go to 909 now. Alright, ZS has to reverse from here, or I'm gonna have to out it. And if it doesn't, then we'll go into shop calls. Spy's kind of in a wedge, so we'll see how that breaks out. As for ALT, they should probably go to like 12.5 pretty easily. Let me see if that gaps to 15. I'm gonna leave probably the stop at, looks like Spy's breaking down. Oh, that's so good. Yes, okay. So Shopify still is only going up because that's just how Shopify works. I love it, it's great. Probably do one call in shop just because they're insane. I don't know what their stocks, like what the deal is, but they just only go up. It's really weird, but it kind of works. Alright, we got stopped at an ALT. I guess they reverse. Kind of sucks, but it's okay. I think what they're going to do is W, but if it crosses VWAP, you can't really rely on that. You have to kind of stick with it. So that's two trades that reverse pretty quick today in the morning, so I'm going to wait till about 10 o'clock probably for the next one. Kind of sucks, but it's just kind of how it works. ZS kind of invalidated the M setup, which kind of sucks. This next candle's got to be red on the 5. So this one closes red, then the next one closes red. Or this one closes hammer. And if that doesn't happen, then I'll out that. And probably go and shop. We're waiting on FIO. FIO looks pretty nice. We'll see how that one goes. It's gonna take a little more time to break. Target on shop's like 810, 820. And they're going pretty nicely there. I might in it at VWAP. Actually, I probably should in it at VWAP. We'll do 820 calls. Or I guess 800. ZS is still going up. Kind of want to see shop hit VWAP. Then we'll do 3 contracts at VWAP. Stop kind of around the 50. Assuming it doesn't reverse on the 5 minute, it's got to stay on the 5. ZS basically did what I wanted it to do. We just got to give it 5 more minutes. So that's what I'll do. Shop is basically where I want it. I'll start inning contracts. I gotta be careful though. I just don't want it to reverse on the 5 minute, which I know you guys can't see, but I can see it, I promise. So, yeah. Alright, cool. Sweet. I gotta give everything 5 minutes, basically. And then we're gonna have about a third BP left. Falab! Looks like stuff's going up, so I'm gonna have to close the ZS position and just focus on the calls. So, my bad on that one. So that one wasn't great. It was actually really bad. So hopefully we'll make up for that. Let's see, shop. I shouldn't really have ended after this, but I thought this was confirmation, but really it wasn't confirmation. It was just a huge sell-off and then a buying opportunity. It was not a short opportunity. So that was my bad. That was a misread. Could have made a lot of money buying calls instead. But instead I bought the exact opposite contract in my puts. So you learn. I'll keep shop up here so I don't miss anything on the 1 minute. But I think we should be fine till about 12 o'clock on those contracts. It's not a big deal. They got a pretty wide range to gap. What I want to see them do is kind of gap up to here. I mean, these guys will move $100 in a day. So I would kind of want to see them at like 810, 820. That'll give the contracts 20 and inherent, which is like 6 grand. So that should be fine. I just can't wait. Summer. What does stopping me now? Okay, cool. Let's get back to pre-market or daily gainers. I'm surprised SNOA like whiffed out, but what are you gonna do? Oh, I have shop over here. I guess I don't need shop over here anymore. I just can't wait. I just can't wait. I just can't wait. I just can't. Summer, summer, summer. Look at that. See, like, that's the thing, is sometimes it'll reverse and then it'll explode, and if you have to have a tight stop, like for me, this account here has to have a tight stop, it'll fuck you over because you miss out on all of this. Like, this is like 3 times more than I risked, and it's just, it kind of sucks sometimes, but you have to deal with it. You're not feeling till tonight. I just can't wait until the dawn. To face it you again. Whoa. Summer. No one's stopping me now. I really like Feel. Like, these guys look like the play. I don't know how. I don't know why. But this is nice. They should gap to like 10. If you ask me. You gotta wait for an entry point on it. I don't know what the entry point is yet. I think it's a W setup, to be honest. Kind of breaks like 6. I can only lose $100 in a day. So let's see, 100 minus 42 minus 23. It's 35. So I can risk 35. What's that? 1,000. 1,000 by 6 is 16 shares. So 16 shares, and then 6 times, I guess, what's 35 over 1,000 is 3.5%. So whatever that, let's see, 1.0, 1 minus that, and then multiply that by the entry at 6. So my stop's got to be at 579 if I enter at 6. So I basically need to have an 11-cent stop loss, which basically means with spreads and everything, it's got to be 9 cents. Okay, 9 cents. I got 9 cents of leeway here. And I can make the trade or I can flop it around like an idiot. So I got to be careful because, just for perspective, 9 cents is basically from here to here, which is the exact same movement of the last 1 minute candle. So if I'm off by 1 minute on this trade, I will basically just be done for the day on that account. So I need to be very careful. So I will be very careful. Oh! But I like it. I got a love for you. This one kind of failed. I've been trading this one a lot lately. If you look at it over here on the yeah, it's not even on the screener. They had a really nice ABCD setup on the daily. It was the one I had up this morning, and it was just super good. Like, they had this huge run up, and then the target on the ABCD setup was basically 2.6, and then they hit it and they reversed. And for me, I don't know if they're going to keep going up or not because they hit the target on the ABCD setup. So, yeah. It's been nice. I got a love for you. This could do an inverted head and shoulders, and if it does, I'll buy it at the second shoulder. I can get a tight stop on it. Sweetie and the G. I think this is probably gonna be the last play in this account that we make if it works out here, because it's a little bit it's an easier play to make. Big didn't really do anything. unfortunately. Inside who we are. I got a love for you. Oh, this is actually kind of nice. It's low volume. How low is the volume? 800,000? The market cap's 56 million though, so it's okay. I kind of like this a lot. Is it gonna break up or down? It's on OTC, which is not the best. But, let's see. Not looking good. Might have to out that. Let's see what it does. Alright, that's not looking great. Probably gonna have to out it. Yeah. Dang. Those guys got hit hard. Oh well. Alright, out of that. That sucks. Not that bad, because I had a really good entry. But even so, I mean, I got in here. Or maybe it was here. It was probably here. So, dang. ZS is still super high, so I think they still made the right call getting out of that. Yeah, so, Alright, we'll probably wait till the end of the day for most of the other plays, since that's kind of where most of the other volatility is. The only thing is CNTQQ, or CNTTQ. I think this could be a nice short here on an upward wedge. They've got decent volume. And yeah, it's a pretty reasonable short. It's not like unheard of. I don't think I can trade them though, unfortunately. Maybe I CNTTQ. Maybe I can trade them. I don't know. I'll try. Let's see, what do you want to do here? I can risk what? 16. Or 30. So I think this trading platform has a per share trading fee. Well, I know that it does. And I know it's like a penny a share or something, which is really bad. So the fees on this are going to be really big. So if I do, it's going to be like $100 commission on this trade. But the movement's like 6 cents. Yeah, $10. Oh no, $10 isn't bad, so I can do 10. Okay. So I have to stop it at like basically 4.2 if I sell it at 4.1, which I think is pretty reasonable. So we'll do, it's 1,000 at 4.1 short on CNTQQ. Or maybe just do it at 4.2 and see if it gets filled and then stop at 4.3. Or maybe do it at like 4.25 short. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it doesn't let you do 3 decimal points. Damn. I think it's about to break out. There's not a lot of volume. See, these guys get more decimal points. Why don't I get more decimal points? See, sometimes it just doesn't let you enter an order because it's too close to price or something. And that's why you have to use market orders. But with low volume like this, it's really, really, really hard to use market orders because the spreads are really big. It doesn't even show the bid and the ask. So, unfortunately, I don't think I'm going to make that trade just because of the way that it's set up. I just can't do it. I'm sad that Shopify failed. I was pretty confident in that one. Maybe I should have waited for a drop like really far below VWAP to get in, but like at this point I would be selling it, so there's really no reason. I mean, it's just really, it's a bad drop there. Oh well. Ooh. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. tell you what though, with all this political stuff, I bet you social media dudes are moving really quick. Check this out. These guys are gonna go to like 32 cents. It's gonna be really cool. So the short point is like here, and then your stop is like here. I'll draw it out for you. So you kind of short around here, you stop it here, and then your target is basically like kind of over here-ish. Maybe a little bit higher. At this point, like, Facebook's moving too. Here's SNOA. We bought these guys here, but we got fucked on the stop when they had this huge candle. This was basically the move I was looking for to $20. It went to $19.55. Kinda sucks. I had to stop here because if I didn't, the account would automatically liquidate my position, I'm pretty sure, once it hit here. Which kind of sucks. But again, that's just the way that this trading software works. Which again, I don't know. I had like, I don't know, 100 shares. No, I had like 70 shares. So, I don't know. Maybe it would have been like, you know, $300 or something. Someone kind of sucks, but it's not a huge deal. Because there are more. But it is kind of nice to know that you were right. ALT, we stopped out here. Excuse me. Age. What is age? Holy crap. Whoa. Oh man, I missed that one. Holy shit. It's an ABCD setup. The entry point's like right here, and the target is probably right about here at 156. We could short it. Do you want to short it? Do you want to short it? Let's see. Do you want to short it? Do you want to short it? Do you want to short it? Oh, this is a good song. I mean, they're at a hardcore resistance, dude. I would short that. Are they frozen? They get stopped? They hit a circuit breaker? I think they did. They hit a circuit breaker at 10:07, which is about a minute and a half ago. Excuse me. Alright, here's SPY at that level I was talking about. That was really important. You can do SPY EOD 299 puts for about 54 cents, 55 cents. I don't wanna feel that way. This kind of stuff is super risky to short because you basically don't know what it's gonna do. I don't know. Someone just dumped a lot of JP Morgan. Like a lot of JP Morgan at 99.86, which I don't know if you guys noticed, but that was fucking yesterday. So let's see what EOD puts on them are. Let's see. Alexa, 1.35 million times 100 is 135 million. Someone just sold 135 million of JP Morgan. That's on the dark pool screener. So they should go to 97 today. Okay, dude, I'll make that bet. You want to make that bet? I think that's a better bet than SPY, because SPY's a little bit less reliable. I want to see it get up to the top of this wedge and then short it there. Kind of like here-ish, I think is reasonable. So we'll see if it can kind of get like here-ish. I'll get probably 97.5 puts. Let's see. I just don't want to have too many trading fees, but it's no big deal. Yeah, shop's dropping straight down, so that was a good exit. Facebook's going straight down. Zoom's at 92, or Zscaler's at 92. This could be a fat shorted open. I'm gonna prep a trade for 600 shares. And then I'm gonna short JPM as soon as it gets kind of like here-ish. Unless it fails, I don't want it to fail. I guess it's not a huge deal. If it breaks out of the wedge, I miss it. It's not a huge deal. Basically just looking for a hammer candle here, and I think that might have been it right there. So I'm gonna have a stop at 181. Somehow our short got filled at 164, which is a really bad fill. So that was my fault, I guess. But it looks like it doesn't matter because, you know, whatever. JP Morgan's at target. I'm gonna get inputs. Once these guys get here, I'll stop at VWAP. Or I'll stop at break even. 169. I'm gonna change this stop to 171. I really should have been short around here. I put the market order in when it was at 166. I got filled, I guess, pretty reasonably at 164, so I'm not that sad about it. What you want to see here is a red, green, red. This thing closed full red, so the stop's at 171. If it hits that, it's out. But really, you just kind of want to see it continue to have downward momentum. We're short JP Morgan. Not going great so far. Not terrible though. We'll see kind of what the market does. Facebook looks like it hammer bottomed, but it should be a temporary 5-minute bottom based on the market. You kind of want to see it around like 118-ish before you out it. But this is pretty nice confirmation. I'll move the stop to 167. You can increment these really easily, and you don't have to worry about it, because if it hits your stop, then you were wrong anyway. These are a lot easier to increment than the bigger ones. I think this was more of an upward wedge than a symmetrical one. I make that mistake a lot. I put a symmetrical wedge when in reality it is an upward wedge. It's not the worst mistake you can make because you're still right if you're shorting, or well, it depends on the setup, I guess, what the trend is. But it'll cost you 10, 15, 20%. I'm gonna increment the stop to break even. Excuse me. Yeah, so at this point it's just kind of a waiting game. As soon as it drops below VWAP, you're basically gonna know instantly what the tendency for the market is. If it's gonna hold it or if it's gonna flop. Sometimes it also helps to check the news. So I'll check the news. It looks like there's no news on these guys, so pretty much you can be certain that it's gonna go to about 1-1. But I'll get some more charts up on it because I do want to make sure I'm right on this one. So the good news is I can increment exit out. See how many tickets? I got 5 tickets. I can have the 20 on a day. And I can increment my exit, which is good. I think it's going to probably bottom partially at the support level. Which is what they're at. So I'll out like, probably out 200. Alright, get rid of this. And we'll buy 200 at market, and see, yeah, if I buy 200 at market, unless it drops below this really quickly, I do kind of like the 1-1 target a lot, but I don't want it to get fucked, so. Well, out, I got 600, so we kind of out a third at market. It's not unreasonable. Because sometimes these guys will reverse. You gotta be careful. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll stop a third of it at 144. And then I'll stop the rest of it at probably 149, which is 400 shares. At 149, stop. Really though, the target's like 1-1, which is kind of like right over like here-ish. Let's see what it does. I'm gonna increment half at 145, stop. Really though, like I said, the target's kind of like here. My big objective would probably be to out the entire position at like 112. I think 112 is reasonable. It's above 110. I'm gonna full stop the position at 44 pretty soon. I wish this thing would like, oh, there's where it shows the number. Yeah, so I'd probably, I think you could full stop the position at 45. VWAP's at 46. Yeah, VWAP's at 46. Like I said, this account's tight, so you have to keep it tight. Safety and security. Alright, quarter, thirds out, 2/3 are out. We're just holding the last third at 147 stop. And the target on that's again is probably do half at 112, half at 116, maybe like I think 116, maybe 117, 112, 117, 112, half each. 17. Oop. Oh, we're out. Okay, we're out. I got a good fill on that last chunk, so I'm fine with that. That's good. And that means we can trade some more, which is good. At this point, you would probably want to go long in it, so that's probably what I'm gonna do. Hey, Jake.
Hey, look at Shopify 1 minute chart. W setup.
You think that's a W?
I know it is, dude. Look at it.
All right, I'm pulling it up.
It pops right here. It's almost perfect.
Dude, I got fucked on him earlier. Oh my god, you're so right though. What do you think? Like, what strike?
I might do like the 760s.
Okay. God, you're right. What?
It looks like a W.
Yeah, no, it does. Stops at like 748. I'm out of it. I bought earlier.
See what they do right here.
Yeah, this is an important level. I'm short JP Morgan.
What'd you do? Buy calls at the open?
I bought calls at like 940 when it hit VWAP at 937, 945. My thing is SPY's coming down pretty hard, dude. Look at that. That's fucking break on SPY, dude. Yeah, that's done. That's a bear flag, man.
Damn. Oh shit.
I'm thinking they'll go to like 723. As long as it doesn't reverse here. Oh shit, spy reversed. What? Oh, that's gay.
They'll probably go back down here.
Dude, I'm telling you, like 720s are in the are very, very reasonable for this. I know you don't have the Bollinger Bands, dude, but like once the Bollinger Bands, they cross the VWAP at 1026, and dude, once the Bollinger Bands cross the VWAP, 99% of the time you're done. Like it's not gonna go up.
723.
Yeah, they crossed, man. You see that?
That's a long ways down. Good God.
Oh, you're talking about the target. Yeah, the target's just the bear flag. Yeah.
That would be a lot of money right there.
I'm sure.
On shop?
Yeah.
Let's see it.
It's gonna take a while, but I mean, I'm with
They're
you
like
on.
$1. Yeah, they're like $1. That's not bad.
Dude, I shorted AGE after they had this ABCD, and I pussied out, man. I should have held the target. I'm out of shop. I don't like that move. Anyway, we'll see what it does. I don't know. I haven't had good luck with shop today.
This one doesn't look that good to trade in.
Yo, this one broke out. Do you think Tesla's inverted head and shoulder?
Nah, I don't really see that.
Okay, me neither. There's no run into it.
Nice M set up earlier though. Fuck, I should have stayed in my shop calls. I just couldn't, yeah, that's stupid.
The
Damn it.
premiums are going down fast today. So I don't know. Wait, shop went up?
Yeah.
You're right, damn. Huh. I don't know, man. I think Spy's gonna have a break today. We'll see what happens. But yeah, you're right. You're right on that. I'm just gonna hold my JP Morgans.
JP Morgan.
Cause they're doing well. It's sort of like upward wedge. It just kind of broke out of. I kind of want to see him at like 97. I got 97.5s. I think it could be an M too, but I'm basing it more on the wedge. I'm not gonna mess with Tesla.
Yeah, they're tough.
Yeah, I think SPY's gonna break, dude.
Up or down?
Down, below like 3015 support.
They could go to 296 today.
I was thinking 299, but I mean that's reasonable. It's not like unheard of.
Tesla did.
296.
Say shops in an upward wedge here.
I'm not making any more bets on shop. But SPY, I mean, I'm turning it into JPM plays, because I think they'll be about the same. ZS is up a ton. Shit! Oh, I missed ADAP. Yeah, I missed that, damn. Fuck, dude.
Maybe Tesla will go to 820 though.
Yeah, I don't know. I doubt it. I'm thinking like
Tesla might, or SPY might have found the bottom there, you know, about where it's at now. We'll see.
5 minute looks red, green, red.
But if Tesla goes above like 813,
Dude, I think Tesla peaks here go to 796 on an M.
yeah, that'd be wild. On an M,
Yeah, this is the top of the second.
triple top. 805 minutes are like $2. 796. Yeah, I could see that. 798. it goes. There's Tesla. Yeah, that's good right there. Too late.
Too late for what?
I think Tesla's going to break out right here, like you said.
On an M?
No, just the flag.
What flag?
Their
You mean
flag.
Shopify?
No, Tesla.
There's a flag on Tesla?
Looks like a big one. I don't know if that's a flag or not, but it just broke out.
Oh, you mean that channel? Yeah, I think that's the top of an M. Is what I meant. But yeah. I'm looking to short.
What was your play on Shopify this morning?
They just always go up, man.
They did go up for a little bit. Wow, look at that.
What, Tesla?
Everything.
Yeah, that's what I told you. Dude, Spy's gonna fucking just tank today. That's what I'm saying. 8, 10. I'm trying to short Tesla. Yeah, Spy's going to 299.
So now it's the time to get in Tesla
Yeah, I shorted Tesla.
on this pullback here, yeah.
So I'll probably hold that till like 130. I think the market will bottom at like 230-ish. I don't know if you're in GPM or not, but they're up about 100% right now.
JPM?
Yeah, the puts.
Yeah, no, I'm not in that.
Okay.
They are looking good though. This is a nice one, man.
Alright, well, I guess I'm just gonna hold this Tesla position forever. There's not much else to do. What'd I say the target for Tesla was?
I think you said, let me look on my chart. Was it 796 or something?
Yeah, that sounds right. Thanks. Alright, I'll tell you what. I'm gonna set a stop at like 8:12, and I'm just gonna kind of go chill out for the next 6 hours.
How did you set that stop on here?
I'm trading 12 shares in equity.
Tesla.
Yeah.
Oh, you're short.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're not on the option side. I guess yes, that makes sense. For me, I would just set the stop like at whatever price. Okay.
Yeah, for you, basically, you can't set a stop. It sucks ass.
But they drop, man.
Yeah, they're fucking dropping huge right here. I'm pretty happy with it.
I've never shorted. That must be intense.
I'm only shorting because I got this new account. But it's, I don't know. You need way more BP. Like, way more BP. I'm talking like 10 grand in BP for what should be like a $400 position. But the execution is like, oh my god, Jake, it's amazing.
So yeah, I know the buying power is a lot more than the actual liquidity in the account.
Yeah.
Do you recommend trading like over your liquidity or no?
No.
Okay. Because that would be bad.
That would be very bad. Yeah, you don't want to get into debt because you make a bad trade.
Yeah.
No.
Alright, well, it looks like it's going good.
Yeah, it does. It does.
796. If it goes really good, I'm thinking maybe it could go to 785 if we're lucky.
I'm with you, dude. I'm looking at like this is an M, and if you do like a 1x target aggressively, it's like 796, 797, 798. But dude, if you do like a conservative 2x target, you said 785?
Yeah,
I think that
basing it off of that low one.
yeah, if you base it off the low, if you do conservative, it's more like 790. But dude, that's really solid. Like that's a lot of money.
It'll just depend. Yeah, we'll be
I'm gonna base it more so on SPY. Yeah,
That would be insane.
I agree. It would be insane. It'd be amazing. I'm gonna base it on SPY.
Yeah, so we'll see what it does, I guess. So 795. Okay. Cool. Well, we'll see. Hopefully it holds in. I mean, buys getting a big downtrend. What'd you say their target is?
299.
Yeah. And then aggressive 297.
Right. Or 96, but yeah, I mean, yeah, I kind of like 297, I think, because that's what their low was 2 days ago.
Yeah, on Wednesday.
Yeah.
Hopefully. It's solid. solid. I mean, it's a good trade to make. Get our stop loss if we need it. Or you do.
Yeah. Well, I'm watching it. You can stop out just by watching it.
I don't. Yeah, that's the only setup I see. So you think 2:30 it'll take till?
I don't know. They bottomed at like 10.50 on Wednesday. So it could kind of do anything, man. I'm just watching the 2-minute on most of it.
They gotta after they pull back here.
Yeah, they gotta kind of stay below VWAP. I'm looking at the 2-minute, and it looks like a 2-minute red, green, red. So I like it. I think it looks really good. Are you in? What puts are you in?
805.
805. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Yeah, those should double probably. I don't know. Maybe triple if they.
Did you see that on there? The order just went through. It was on the time of sales. I think the quantities. If it says 100, that means 1,000, right?
Yeah, hundreds of thousand.
It was somebody just did one for like it was a 1,400 on here.
Dude, that's like $1,000 in commissions.
Yeah, they I can't tell if it was a buy or a sell though.
Was it green or red?
Green?
It was a buy.
Yeah. 1,400. That's the biggest one I see.
Holy crap.
You don't see those often.
No, it means those boys are betting big on puts. Dude, real quick, pull up unusual options activity.
Okay.
See if Tesla's on it.
What? Just type that in Google.
Yeah, it's the first thing.
Bar chart.
Yeah.
All right, let's see.
It looks like it's mostly just zoom or Z-scaler.
50 call.
What?
Let's see. It's pretty far down the list.
Oh yeah, the calls for 850. Those are 7 DTE, they don't count. The only ones that count are the ones that are further down. At the bottom of the list, the 0 DTE 810 puts.
Yeah, 809, okay.
Well, the 810 strike though.
Yeah.
So I guess that's pretty much your partial target is 810, and they're already below it. Alright, we'll see what happens.
Spy is going down the line, so it should be good news.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. It's really that's the play here. Awesome. All right. Well, now it's just time to wait.
Call me if anything crazy happens, but you're not going to be, I mean, you're just going to stop it. You think you're pretty confident in it.
No, I have like 3 positions open. I'll give you a call if something crazy happens. I'm gonna trade later too.
But it is going down, yeah, it went, really, yeah, the next level I see would be the 299, like we were saying on Spy.
Yeah.
And, yeah, I mean, it looks good on all the charts so far. I think, we'll see what Tesla does here. They're kind of like a mini wedge right now.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. I think so too. I think they're about to break it.
Damn, I hope so. I'm good for a good trade, man. I'm due for
How many contracts?
3.
Nice. Yeah, I'm in 3 contracts on JPM.
They still going down?
Yeah. Yeah.
That looks good. Hopefully they don't bottom out here. They can consolidate a little bit, so watch that.
Yeah, I'll watch it. Somebody sold 135 million of them yesterday at about 100. Sort of at the close. It was really one of the only prints all day. So, yeah, we'll see what happens.
That's not good with Tesla.
What? Don't worry about it.
Oh shit. That was a big jump on spot.
Yeah, I mean, it went down a lot.
You think the market's gonna go down next week?
Yeah. I do. I bought SPY puts this week.
Tesla does kind of look on the daily chart like it rounded off up there.
Yeah, I think so too. Once you get your freaking company on Jay Leno's Garage, I think you're at the peak of publicity, and I think they're gonna go downhill from here.
Was he on there?
Yeah, dude, he was on there last night, or 2 nights ago.
That's crazy.
Like, for the second time.
What car was it?
It was every car, dude. It was all of them.
That game's crazy.
Yeah.
Maybe like
Yeah, dude, that was one of the parts of the show. Yeah, easily I do 500. So was that? There's still like 2 grand. I mean, it's not perfect, but
What'd you say your stop was?
812. Unless you think they're gonna... You think they'll, like, upward wedge? Cause Spy's still below, like 3015.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah, but you're right, that wasn't good. But dude, JPM's still going down. Spy's still going down. I mean, there's like it's like, I mean, I don't know what to tell you.
See what Spy does at 300, does stick level.
Yeah, well, dude, once they get there, Tesla's gonna be at 800.
You're gonna have to move. Yeah, it's gonna have to move pretty quick. Damn.
It's pumping. Dude, do you want to see something crazy? Look at ZS this morning, like 9:29. ZS.
Like I saw them on an unusual activity. What about
That what?
when they pumped up?
Yeah, and when they sold off a bunch. I don't know. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Because they're coming back down off it now.
Gotta get Spy below 300. You still think it get out of if it goes to 812?
Yeah. I don't know, because they might go to 812.5 or 813.
That's what I was thinking. That's gonna be. You really can't. Yeah, if it goes much above 813, you got to really cut your losses.
Yeah, no, I'm with you on that for sure.
Did you what price did you get in at?
At VWAP.
Okay. That's about when I got in. But yeah, if SPY goes up through this channel here, I'll probably scale out. You see on the SPY chart, I mean, they're pushing it.
I don't know, SPY looks like a reasonable downward channel.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If they go above this channel here, you know.
Okay.
They're right. Don't you think they're right at it?
Right. I'll stop if Tesla invalidates the upward wedge. Dang, dude, I thought that was an M, but it was upward wedge.
Where at?
For Tesla.
Okay.
I don't know, I think maybe the problem... Well, no, because the Bollinger Bands validated it, so it's like...
This push from SPY here should help us.
Yeah. As soon as it breaks 808, it's going right to 805. I got issues, yeah, you got them too.
Yep, that might have been a breakout with SPY on that wedge if they close above it.
Maybe. Yeah, they closed above.
I got out.
Okay. Dang.
Oh well. Damn. Sorry. We'll get them next time.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm gonna hold it. I think they're at the top of an upward wedge. But I know it's harder. It's a lot harder to hold that.
Yeah, what options it is. I mean,
Yeah.
they're short. You gonna hold it in the next week?
No. Oof. But I have a hard stop at 814.2 that I'm not gonna budge from. So I guess
You said you put 10 grand in them.
yeah.
So like that move there, how much money compare? Because I want to compare it to options.
Oh yeah.
Is it? Are you like? So you put 10 grand in, you're probably down what? Or a couple hundred, a grand right
$30.
now. That's it. Okay, yeah.
It's pathetic, dude. It's absolutely pathetic.
That's crazy. Yeah, you.
How much did the options move?
About. Let's see. No, yeah, they went down about $1 a contract.
Where were they at?
30%.
30%. Yeah, that's more what I'd kind of expect.
Yeah. So it's a lot more. Yeah.
That's the game, man. That's 100%.
But then I guess if it goes down, we make about the same.
No, you make way more, dude.
Even though I only risk it 1,000, I make more. Yeah, so
100%. Dude, you'll make like 10 times more than me if it goes down. With a tenth of the risk. Well, I guess, I don't know. I wouldn't say a tenth of the risk, but a tenth of the capital.
Yeah, it's a lot more risk.
Yeah.
You're risking 10 grand, but you said it. Yeah, you're not going to lose. For you to lose 300, it would have to go up a lot.
They'd have to be like 860.
Yeah, so I mean.
Maybe 850. I don't know. I just hope that SPY didn't do a W here because I really wanted it to kind of go below that 3015 level.
I think we should come back later and do some stuff.
Yeah, later.
Keep your stop in there, I guess, and
that's
whatever.
What I'll do.
What time do you think?
I don't know. Usually it's like 2.
Alright, call me back at 2 then.
You bet. Have
Good
fun,
luck
Jake.
with that.
Thanks, man.
See ya.
Alright, we'll see how this one works out. I'm gonna cut the stream here, go have some fun for a couple hours, and come back. I will probably stream when I come back. And I'll keep you guys updated on how this goes. I'm holding JPM, I'm holding Tesla. For JPM, I still pretty confident in this one. It's obviously a market play. If they kind of go up here again, I'll probably get out. But I really don't think they're going to. I'm going to kind of hold till target at 97, 97.5. And the contract should quintuple. And if they don't, I'll probably sell it like 400% or so. I am like fairly certain that Jake just fucked himself in the butt, which I hate saying, But I am kind of fairly certain that that was the peak here on this upward wedge, which kind of sucks for him because that would have been about a $15,000 trade for him. But unfortunately, if you don't have the balls to hold at the peak, you know, it's really hard to hold. I mean, it is ludicrously difficult to hold that position. For me, I was short ZS, and I guess I was right getting out of it, but well, that's actually a bad example because I was right getting out of it. But with that other one that we traded earlier, I think it was SN something, SNOA. I think it was SNOA. Yeah, SNOA. Like, I didn't have the balls to hold this through this pullback right here, and then it exploded afterwards. So I don't know. Sometimes you're right, sometimes you're wrong. I'm pretty sure I'm right on Tesla here, and I'm gonna hard stop it at the. If it hits 14.2, it's gonna be at an all-day high, and that's gonna be fine for me to stop out at. But I think this is the final reversal we were waiting for on SPY. I'm pretty sure SPY is going to go 299. So I'll see you guys later at the end of the day, and we'll kind of see how it works out. But this trade should pretty much be locked in. So it's cool stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you hopefully kind of later in the day, maybe like 2 o'clock. I ended SPY puts this morning, and I didn't do anything else this morning off of stream that we didn't already kind of do together. I'm trying to leverage out of my calls right now, so mostly I have puts on like bonds and only calls in like super weird pharmaceutical companies that I think could solve, like, cure coronavirus. Most everything else is like banks and then energy. Energy's doing really well, so I'm not gonna mess. I have some calls and pipelines that I've kind of positioned out of a little bit, and I don't really want to mess with those at all, so I'm not going to. But everything else is in SPY puts. They're up about 25% today, which is nice. So we'll see how it goes. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.